Welcome to Zenvia Conversion's demo. For the next few minutes, you will have access to a complete version of how our platform works. With Zenvia Conversion, you will be able to improve communication with your clients through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and having access in real time to all the conversations that your team is having with your clients. We are going to take a tour of the shared inbox, the reports, the contact section, broadcast lists, the conversational channels, the bot. We will show you some of the most useful tools, the marketplace, and finally the configuration tab. If you are interested in any particular function, click on the stamp in the description box. This is the shared inbox. As an administrator, you will be able to access to all the conversations of your team in real time on all channels. For example, if you click here, we can see everything that this agent is talking about with our clients. We can see which contacts is this person having a conversation with and which are saved and closed. All messages from the same WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram accounts arrive in the shared inbox. The interface is easy to use and to understand. If you select a conversation, you will see that you can send all kinds of files, location, and voice messages. Thanks to the similarities to WhatsApp, it will not be difficult for your agents to adapt, but this platform has so much more to offer. It's like WhatsApp, but with superpowers. As an administrator, you will have access to all kinds of performance metrics in the Reports tab. In the new Contacts and Conversations section, you can understand how and in what time your agents respond to your clients' inquiries. In addition, you will be able to understand how teams work and which channels generate the most conversations, filtering the data by origin. The Team Performance Report is intended to facilitate the analysis of the performance of each agent, as well as the whole group, in relation to a group of contacts entered in a period of time. In Conversational Channels, you can find the information about all the integrated channels. Now I will show you everything you can do from the Contacts tab. In this tab, you can also edit your contacts information. You could also add tags, because Zenvia Conversion allows you to tag contacts according to their needs, their stage in the sales funnel, or any other attribute that helps you organize it the best way. These are the default labels, but you can create the ones that are necessary for your business. You can perform all types of searches. Zenvia Conversion allows you to search for clients by name, email, or phone number. And that's not all, you can also send bulk messages up to 500 contacts. These messages are sent from here. Unlike the broadcast list you can already use, this is not necessary for users to have your contacts saved in the phone book. Remember that WhatsApp requests a pre-approval of the templates to avoid spam. This is the section you should go to integrate new channels. As we mentioned earlier, you can integrate Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp. And by pressing any of these channels, you will have access to the configuration of the bot, templates, and automatic responses. Our bot allows you to configure a welcome message, request basic information from your contacts, distribute and rate them. Now I will show you some functionalities that both you and your agents can access. If you select any conversation from WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram, you can send quick replies or message templates. You can also schedule a reminder. When doing this, it disappears from your portfolio of active conversations to have greater visibility of what you are working on. Once the configure time has passed, it appears again. You can also send private notes. This notes tool is very useful for both agents and administrators because it allows you to leave messages in the conversation that can only be seen by your colleagues. When necessary, they can transfer the entire conversation to another agent or another team. For example, the sales team can transfer logistics to sales depending on how your business is organized. In addition, you will have access to our marketplace. The app section is where you can discover, manage, install, and configure apps for your account. You can find apps like Shopify, where you can send automated messages every time a client buys at your store. Agents will also have access to this section, and they can make a request if they need to install an app. In the Settings tab, you can make all kinds of adjustments, such as configuring the business hours. This feature allows you to manage your work schedules by time, without having to modify the configuration for each agent. From here, you can also create and edit the quick answers and invite more users. You can also access to your account status and your billing profile. With Zenvia Conversion, in addition to answering all the inquiries from different channels from the same place, you will have full control of everything that is being spoken. As a manager, you can see in real time what is happening with each of these conversations. You will also be able to double your service capacity with our bot, all this and much more through an official integration to the WhatsApp API. This will ensure that your line will never be blocked. And now you can try Zenvia Conversion for free for 7 days. You can enter the link that we left in the description box and start using Zenvia Conversion today.